Now, the International Finance Corporation IFC will inject a 3.55 billion shillings investment into diversified financial services group Britam after shareholders approved the deal at an extraordinary general meeting or EGM held in Nairobi. The EGM Britam shareholders approved the acquisition of a 10.3% stake in the company by the investment arm of the World Bank in a deal that will see the IFC gain representation on the Britam board. As a result of the acquisition, the issued share of capital of Britam will increase by 11.6%, while current shareholding will be diluted by 10.37%.
IFC, in our discussions and in their due diligence, looked at the current valuation against the underlying, or what we'd call intrinsic value of Britam. And they discovered that the share is undervalued. Of course, the reason why the share is undervalued is, number one, the sentiment in the market about the Nairobi Stock Exchange being on a bearish run in the last 2 years. And this feature or this issue is prevalent in the entire Nairobi Stock Exchange, so it's not something that is confined to Britam. So, but the underlying value of Britam is much higher than even the 15 shillings and 85 cents. So that motivated